Hi, and welcome to Aggie Global. I'm Zoe and one of the co-founders of Aggie Global. So Aggie Global is a social business and it's an e-commerce platform connecting small farmers to big markets. We aim to alleviate poverty in developing countries by helping farmers increase their income by accessing profitable markets. So in December 2019, we launched our e-commerce platform, which can now be used through our website, as you can see. Now from the homepage, you will notice that the farmer is at the front and center of our platform. A huge part of what Aggie Global does is to create a connection between the buyer and the farmer to bring trust and transparency into the supply chain. We highlight the farmer story with a farmer page that includes a blurb about what they grow and why, and this may include things like sending their kids to school or being able to afford a tractor. At the bottom of each of the farmer's page, you can then view which crops or what food is actually available right now from these farmers specifically. Now to see all the products that we have available on Aggie Global, you go into the All Products page. If you click here, you'll be taken to the page that demonstrates all the produce that is available online at that time and in the future. Now on the left, there are filters that allow buyers to find exactly what they want. And what we have found is that buyers actually need seasonality, location, and reliability to be making decisions about what to buy for the hotel or the restaurant. To ease this process for purchasing officers and chefs, you can easily filter by farmers if they have a preferred supplier. Otherwise by item, seasonality, location, price, or category. Filtering by seasonality is really crucial for our buyers as it helps them plan their menus months in advance instead of being reactive by looking at what is available at the time. This is coupled by pre-ordering food as well. By pre-ordering food, it also helps farmers in managing their supply to make sure they can actually have enough food for the buyers that they're working with. On each product's page, there are images to show what the produce looks like because some of the items on our website can be unusual or unheard of. There's also additional information about each product on this page. Some of this information includes why the farmer grew this product, where it was grown, and when it was harvested or when it will be harvested. Under the Cart tab, you will be able to edit your current order and review previous orders that you may have made over Aggie Global. On the bottom left, there is actually a text box where buyers can specify the day that they need that food delivered to them, in case of a one-off catering event or an emergency order when they've gone into the stock and haven't been able to find anything. You can also specify the ideal delivery date and times if need be. Now on the right, there is the option to send the invoices to your colleagues. Select this box and enter the email addresses of the relevant parties, whether this is your accounts team or the purchasing officer in your business. They will then receive an email showing what is in your cart and then they can approve it before you actually buy it. Now, once the order is confirmed, both online and from the necessary departments in the business, you can then go to the checkout. Here you will provide your contact details so we can actually get the food to you. Then by ticking the box under the contact details, you can then save your information to make recurring orders a lot easier for yourself. And next is the delivery type selection. Delivery prices are based on location and order value, so we are trying to ensure that the shipping cost does not exceed the value of the order. And lastly, the payment details are entered. Depending on your region, different options are available. We have PayPal, MasterCard, debit, and other online payments available for the buyer. However, for most of our customers that we are working with, many actually prefer to pay in checks or cash in hand. So as a result, we have the option to pay with cash on delivery to make a seamless checkout process that works for you. Now all of these payments go towards farmers, which helps us alleviate poverty and it helps you support your local community. So thanks for shopping with Aggie Global.